The journey begins by transforming raw ore into high-purity indium phosphate, essential for advanced display technology. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. The journey begins as vital materials embark on their path to innovation. Precision begins in the clean room, where advanced robotics initiate quantum dot synthesis. Skilled American technicians meticulously monitor and adjust synthesis parameters for optimal results. The delicate precursors are carefully transferred, setting the stage for precise growth. Fine-tuning ensures each quantum dot achieves its precise light frequency. These microscopic nanocrystals unlock a spectrum of vibrant, true-to-life colors. This intricate process is fundamental to the breathtaking visuals of a Samsung display. Precision application ensures every quantum dot film achieves unparalleled color purity. Skilled American workers prepare for meticulous inspection under specialized lighting. Under precise lighting, every micron of the film is scrutinized for perfection. Advanced automated systems provide an additional layer of precision, ensuring flawless panel quality. Only films meeting the highest standards proceed, destined for Samsung's next-generation displays. Robots precisely place thousands of quantum mini LEDs, forming the heart of revolutionary displays.
Looks good from here, fully within spec.
The intricate dance of automation and human precision ensures every panel meets exacting standards. Each mini LED is perfectly placed, building the foundation for stunning visual fidelity. The speed
Alignment
and
is within
efficiency
tolerance
of this automated
0.01.
process represent the pinnacle of modern
Ready for
manufacturing.
bonding.
Through meticulous care, the raw components transform into a canvas for unparalleled clarity. Advanced robotics and expert technicians collaboratively
Agreed.
build the
Send it
visual
through.
future. Precision engineering by begins as multiple layers unite to form the heart of a Samsung Neo QLED display. A colossal lamination machine stands ready, a marvel of industrial precision and advanced technology. Inside, powerful vacuums and precise pressure create an inseparable bond, forging a single perfect panel. Every newly laminated panel undergoes rigorous human inspection, ensuring flawless quality and integrity. Each flawless diorama represents a leap in display technology, ready to bring stunning visuals to life. Precision is paramount as each panel undergoes meticulous quality inspection. Advanced optics reveal the intricate pixel structure, ensuring flawless performance. Even illumination is verified with advanced light measurement tools. Here, advanced robotics bring intricate components to life, building the intelligence within. Precision is paramount as chips are placed with submicron accuracy. Every component contributes to the ultimate performance of a Samsung TV. American ingenuity and automated precision drive the future of television technology. From microscopic parts to monumental experiences, excellence is built into every detail. Precision soldering ensures flawless connections for every component. Inside the reflow oven, precision heat ensures perfect solder bonds for crucial components. Out of the heat, perfectly soldered mainboards emerge cooled and ready for the next stage. A unique serial label is printed and applied, ensuring traceability and authenticity for every product. The American technician meticulously reviews data, confirming the success of the advanced soldering process. Robotics and human precision unite to craft the next generation of Samsung TVs. Advanced robotics ensure flawless integration of vital components. Every connection is a testament to the artisan's unwavering dedication to quality. Expert hands guide the advanced panel, integrating it into the elegant Infinity design frame. Human precision meets robotic accuracy, ensuring perfect component integration. The frame now cradles the advanced display, a testament to superior design and engineering. The bezel-less Infinity design is key to a truly immersive viewing experience. Human inspection provides the final touch, ensuring flawless alignment. Every curve and edge reflects meticulous attention to detail and design perfection. The meticulously assembled TV moves towards final installation of other components. Precision and expertise are paramount in crafting an immersive audio experience for every Samsung TV. Each component is designed for seamless integration, reflecting meticulous engineering. Connecting the delicate audio wiring requires a craftsman's touch and keen attention to detail. Each speaker is carefully secured, guaranteeing optimal performance and durability. This methodical process ensures every Samsung TV delivers unparalleled sound quality.
Возмесил устачный перискавы без пикнемизма нам швир. Precision
is paramount, as skilled hands meticulously secure each
bringing the
component.
cinematic experience right into your home.
Every detail is meticulously checked, ensuring flawless integration and durability. The quality control expert inspects the frame's fit and finish with a discerning eye. Calibrated tools ensure structural integrity, guaranteeing the television's longevity. The assembly culminates in a product of exceptional quality and elegant design. This commitment to excellence defines every Samsung Neo QLED and OLED television. In the vast aging room, every Samsung TV undergoes rigorous continuous operation to ensure peak performance. Automated systems meticulously calibrate each display, ensuring perfect HDR standards for every unit. Hours of continuous operation simulate real-world usage stress testing every component to detect even the slightest flaw. From vivid colors to pristine audio, every aspect of performance is scrutinized. Only televisions that withstand these rigorous tests proceed to final packaging, guaranteeing ultimate reliability. This exhaustive testing is a testament to Samsung's unwavering commitment to superior quality and reliability. Precision calibration ensures every Samsung TV delivers perfect HDR performance. Advanced AI processors are meticulously tuned for unparalleled visual fidelity. Through rigorous testing, each display is optimized to meet the highest standards. This meticulous process guarantees an immersive viewing experience for every customer. Every detail matters, from vibrant colors to deep, rich contrasts. The commitment to quality is embedded in every step of the manufacturing journey. Our experts meticulously verify every detail, ensuring perfect calibration. Uncompromising standards are met with every hue and shadow perfectly rendered. Integrating advanced data with human expertise ensures unparalleled picture quality. Ready for the world, each TV embodies our commitment to innovation and perfection. Skilled hands ensure every detail of the sleek design meets Samsung's exacting standards.